Hey, how are you doing? So yesterday you took a exit slip test questions, and we want to make sure that we have this to reteach you so that you can go back and make those corrections and redo a couple of them and see how you can master these. So I'm going to show you two problems. It's going to be a quick little video. I want you to watch and follow along if you need to. You may want to use a piece of paper with you to see how we do this. So this is kind of a question you would have saw on your exit slip yesterday. It's asking you, is the point 212 a solution? Is it on the graph y equals 3x plus 6? And I want to do that by using substitution. Okay, I'm going to sub in my values x and my y values there into the correct spots. And when I do that, I can see if this is a true statement or not. So let's see what happens. I want to see if this point is on the graph. So if I want to see what the graph looks like, I can see what my calculator here, I can turn it on here. There it is, I already have it typed in, and if I graph it there, you can see there's my line. I want to see if 212 is on that line. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to write down my equation again, and I'm going to show you what happens. We're going to do substitution. So here's my equation that I want to see. And so this ordered pair up here, 2, 12, the 2 is your x value. So that 2 will get to go inside this x value. So this x value here becomes a 2. This y value becomes the 12. Then all I have to do is just do my arithmetic on my calculator and see if this part right here, 3 times 2 plus 6, will give me 12. And if it does, then it's a true statement. So let's see what happens. So I do 12 is equal to, so I put the 12 in for the y, is equal to 3 times 2 plus 6. 3 times 2 is 6, and when I add 6 to 6, I get 12. And that is the same answer that I get. So this is a true statement. So this is a solution. Okay? So if you get a true statement there by substituting those values in, you know that it is a true statement and it is on that graph. My last example here I want to show you is what happens if it's not. Another one here. Erase this real quick. Now I'm going to give you the equation y is equal to negative 5x plus 2. And I want to see if the point 2, negative 7 is on that graph. I want to see if it's a solution. So the 2 is my x value. This negative 7 is my y value. So if I write my equation out here, and I'm substituting in what I know now, my x value is going to become a 2, and my y value now becomes the negative 7, because it tells me right up there in the top. So I just do my math here. Negative 7 is equal to negative 5 times 2 plus 2. And I want to see if this part will give me negative 7. So let's see. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. I'm going to add 2 to it. Negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. And so negative 8 is not the same as negative 7. So this is a false. It's not a solution. So now I know it's not a solution. It's not going to be on this line at all when I graph it. So that's why it's not a solution. Okay? So use this video now to work on the next four exit slip questions there. You can turn that in and check with me, and then you can get on your next assignment. Thank you.